West Virginia State Police became aware of information that some old explosive materials were found in a bunker adjacent to the former Spring Ridge coal mine. Troopers investigated and found dynamite in blasting caps and contacted DEP. DEP inspectors determined that because the dynamite had become unstable, it would require the services of a specialized contractor to safely remove.
It was a very unique project in the sense that this material laid here abandoned for well over 20 years. And the storage facility that was in was certainly not one that met the codes that are out today for safe storage and proper storage. So we ended up with a lot of dynamite that actually leaked the nitroglycerin out of the sticks, because the nitroglycerin is very sensitive to impact or movement or anything like that when it's out in its raw form.
The explosives were stored in a block building and small shed located outside the boundaries of the actual mine permit.
Had the general public gone in there, it could have been catastrophic, because any kind of impact or movement within those piles of the dynamite in there could have caused a detonation.
State police secured the area so the contractor, RAM Explosive Technology Services, could begin work on the site. The DEP worked with state police and local first responders to develop an emergency response plan in case of a problem during the removal operation.
We went in and did some explosive tests, and immediately we had very strong indications of nitroglycerin, so we knew we had a major operation on our hands. So at that point, we went back to the laboratory, started testing, looking at what treatment would be the most effective to attack it.
Crews then used earth-moving equipment to create a safety berm in and around the magazine. They placed logs and heavy blast mats over the roof of the structure to help contain any potential fragmentation should there have been an unplanned detonation.
As a MuniRem authorized partner, RAM was able to get support from MuniRem CTO, and the decision was made to neutralize the nitroglycerin using MuniRem Reagent in solution. Due to the extreme hazard, initial spraying was done from outside, monitored by a video camera mounted at the door of the magazine. Temperature of the MuniRem solution, nitroglycerin and dynamite was monitored, as was air quality in the magazine. With the floor and surface material rendered safe, a MuniRem technician was able to enter the magazine to carry out intensive spraying of MuniRem Reagent solution. Once the MuniRem team were confident that leaked nitroglycerin was destroyed and the dynamite stick cases were soaked, it was possible to start removing the dynamite sticks and blasting caps. Dynamite and water gels were recovered and neutralized with MuniRem solution. The inert solids, such as wrappers and fillers, were burnt, and the ashes disposed at the landfill. The 400 gallons of effluent from the neutralization process was filtered. The effluent was tested for explosive residue and hazardous materials and found to be non-detect, then transported and disposed at the municipal water facility. The magazine was tested and declared free of explosive residue. All waste streams were tested and determined non-hazardous.